here, and today we're playing some Lego Achievement. Subscribe, comments below, tell me what to play and like, and let's just get started. Who should I be? Yeah, let's go like that. Yeah, I'm gonna be like this. Look. And yep, so on the Super Cup I beat it, Skunk. And now I'm on Fox. Oh, okay. So what is it doing? Okay, so we're in the game, so come on. This plus 8% faster. It just tells you that how fast you did it in time. Come on, I don't want to waste my cheeky. What, 3? 4? No. Come on. Please tell me if you know what this game is, and tell me how you play this properly. Because I've started, but some of my friends helped me, so that's how I got on a really high level. But I just kind of started, so please tell me in the comment below and tell me how to play this really proper. Come on. Nearly there already. Oh, wow! Funny butterfly. So nearly there. Don't care about these. Just be like the eagle that taught. I died. I don't care. I died. Yep, I have my hand up. Whoa, he had his hand up. Yeah, whoever has their hand up, that means that they would lose. I didn't say I won. Fox did. That's all there. New speed available. Which one is this one? Here's that one. What could I buy? I want to buy right now. I can't even buy a car. Wow. Okay, so I want to be the master. Yes, so this is how I'm going to be. Let's start the Super Cup. Oh, my neck hurts. So, not that good. Put the core boost. Is your speed on. Cheer power. I know that. Go. I am holding my hands. Why am I so slow on this? Come on, little. Don't ultra fast. Oh no, no. Come on, sweethearts. If you just heard that noise, that was my baby brother. My baby brother's here. Guys, I'm so sorry. My baby brother has done something. I was just getting go gummy. So let's just get back into the game. I saw my baby brother did something, but he didn't. Don't just hear that, it's my baby brother. I lost. He lost. I lost. How would you do 2 seconds that quick? No one will beat the record 2 seconds. Gonna be back. Guys, I'm back, so really need a car that's so good. I'm how you're having the Defender. I really like the Ravens. Come on. Grism. Kind of like that name, Grism. Gonna get into the game. Okay, 5% fast. It's gonna beat me. Grism's so hard with that speed wall, that really good speed wall. I'm a raven bird. A bird versus a weird gorilla monkey. Okay. Come on. please, I do not know, but somehow I randomly got up 7 views. Please tell me how you do that in the comments below. I really need to know, please. Could I do this? Could I do this? I can't do this. I could do this. No. I won, okay? Okay. Not doing goals and no. Go get the chomper. Or this one, the hunter. Chomper or the hunter. Definitely need this one. And this one. For now I'm having this one. One more. And then I'm ending it here. How much? Okay, so that goes really quick when we start. Come on. Oh my gosh, I keep crushing into stuff. I know what this should be called. And it's gonna be so weird. Again, subscribe, like, and tell me what to put in the comments below. And yeah, nothing else. I really like shout outs. I don't know why, but I just really like them. Why can't... No way. When I get beaten, why can't this Raven just fly when he does a loop-to-loop? He could just fly. Because ravens can fly. Okay, so guys, ending it here. Thanks for watching. Bye.